A while back I made these planter barrel posts for my patio string lights using 4x4 posts and a whiskey barrel. It's one of the most viewed videos on our channel, but I didn't like that I had excess string lights that hung over my fire pit. I wanted to take this extra section of string lights away from my fire and stretch them toward my house. Thankfully, Backyard Therapies reached out asking if I'd like to try out a couple of their 9-foot string light poles. And I said, sure! They sent me a set of 2 poles which were very simple to assemble. Each pole has a 2-piece ground fork, 3 pole sections, and 2 pole top options. Assembly is super easy, just screw all the pieces together. The pieces are made from galvanized powder-coated steel, so they're heavier than I expected. There is also a few rubber washers included, but it turns out that these are not really needed. The instructions say to push the pole into the ground by stepping on the fork. This method worked for me, but I will say that my soil was wet and I had to jump on the fork several times. You may need to use a rubber mallet if your soil is hard. Then it's as simple as attaching your string lights to the top of the pole. I'll leave a link below to the string lights I used. One watch out here, the poles are 9 feet tall and just a couple of inches in diameter. There's going to be some flex in the poles, and heavier string lights may cause greater flex in the poles, causing the lights to sag. As an alternative to stomping the forks into the ground, I thought it would be fun to test them out in a whiskey barrel. I grabbed a few rocks from my yard and used a 60-pound bag of concrete for weight. I simply stood the pole in the barrel, balanced the forks on the rocks, and poured in the concrete. Then I poured in enough water to get a peanut butter-like consistency while using a level to keep the pole as plumb as possible. I moved the barrel to my patio and attached the lights to the pole and plugged them into this outdoor Wi-Fi smart outlet from BNLink. Now we can turn on the lights before going outside or set a timer for the lights to automatically turn on and off to a schedule. Thanks again to Backyard Therapies for sending us out these poles, and don't forget to use the link below if you'd like to purchase some of your own. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you found value, please subscribe for more DIY projects and check out these other videos. Thanks for watching.